welcome to my short tutorial on creating this banner that you see on the screen together with Canva. Let's first go to the Canva screen, and I will already start a new one because we're gonna recreate this part. Let's first start with a text. So here we will add your company name, and we will put this in. It's already there. Category, and we make it a little bit bigger. We're already I'm gonna duplicate it a little bit smaller. Let's say 250, for example. Yeah, that looks nice. And then we also have a part of text in a different type, and this is the major mono display. I'm gonna add it here for you. It will be the same, just adding a field over here. Let's see that everything is in the middle. You can see it on the line that comes up. Here I will put it in the middle. All right, let's also add some elements that you see here. We have added some little stars. Just click here, stars, and we will be using the graphics for this one. I'm using the free version, so depending on if you have a license, you can use everything. For now, I will be using the free one, and I will not go for the moving ones because I will be adding some videos below that are already moving, so I want to have the attention go to the movies. I will take this one, make it a little bit smaller, and duplicate it. You can do it like this, or you can use Control V, Control C, Control V, like this. Now, if we go to the example, we have on top of here a little line. You can also just in elements add a line, and then we will be using shapes for this one. Just add a normal one. If you want something more special, you have different options. We take the ball and we drag and drop it a little bit like this, and then we already have 50% of our banner, and now it is just the videos. If you want to use your own videos, just go to upload and upload your files. For now, I will be using the ones that we have in Canva, and it will be just like this. I will copy paste them next to each other. You can put them next to each other or leave a little space in between. You see, Canva helps you with the measurements between them. And one more time. All right. You can add your videos just as easy as dragging and dropping them. Let's go to videos. Let's take the first one as a video, the third one. This one. And the last one. For the other videos, I will be using some flowers. I will not create a video, I will take a picture, because then I hope the videos are more jumping out. Like this, and I will also edit them so they're black and white. Like this. And now let's see how it works. This is the first one. And here we have ours that is moving for the moment. If you don't want to use the banner on a screen but print it, then use pictures. If you want the banner to play the entire time, don't forget to go to your video's playback and play on repeat for all of your videos. I've already done this one. And then now if you want to change the lady here because she's a little bit out of the picture, then you just go to crop this image and then you can just put her a little bit more in the picture like this. And then here is the one that we have created. So I would say have fun with this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the next thing that we will be creating in Canva.